Hello, this is Sean Thomas, and today I'm going to go over all the takeaways and walk through the code from Grissom Video Lecture 7. Um, so overall, the video is pretty much about HTTP requests for sending data through post, um, through the headers as well as through the body to send files, as well as send general information. So first we have this package.json, which has our dependencies in it, and these get downloaded when the server spins up, essentially. Um, So our functions essentially is our HTTP function, and we have our Firestore database that we need to connect to, and then our storage, which stores all our actual files. So we import that here, and then we have our environment variables that we can pull from our server's environment. Um, which are right here. And this is just my bucket's name and my database's name so that we can change these if we need to, and the code is work the same. Some basic error handling here. And so essentially what happens in the code is we have an HTTP request, and then it looks for um, the header information, which should be a JSON with our VCNL data. That would look like this. And then we also have somewhere in here um, a way to get file information as well through the body that we send through the HTTP request, which would be right here, I believe. Um, and then so what happens is that we connect to our Firestore and storage, and then we upload the file as well as the information from the JSON into the Firestore database. Um, and another thing that was pretty big in the lecture was the use of logs. And I guess they just show information about the server server's functions that's occurring. And then here's our endpoint where we can call it. Right now, nothing's going to happen because I'm not sending a body or headers with this, but if I do that here, I have my headers right here, M5 details with the JSON value. And then in the body, I can send a file as a binary. I can send this one. And then we have this sent right here. And I can check my database. So this was the previous file that I had from testing this earlier. If I refresh this, we have a new one right here. Then my Firestore database, I have 6 right here. Then if I spin this again, I should have 7. Yeah. Um, and then I believe the logs should show that. Um, so yeah, the logs show that there is uploads that happen. So I believe that's all the functionality and features I want to show from Grissom Video Lecture 7.